Hey YouTube, okay, I just got done taking out my twist out. I like it. I haven't really started anything like these twists back here are pretty jumbo, so I might separate them. I might just separate them. So just run my finger through them, separate them. Just like these over here. Oh, they kind of already separated. But I mean, this is my twist out. This is the first twist out that I actually kind of liked, because all my other ones didn't come out well. See this here, separate them and fluff them. I mean, yeah. So I mean, I don't know. Um, I guess I can show you the products that I use in for my twist out. I guess okay. So lately, well, I had seen some I seen some reviews on this product, so I went to Sally's and purchased it, and I actually really like it because my hair is like extremely moist. Like if you can see uh, my fingers, it's like extremely um moist and not greasy, but it's not dry. So yes, this product, Curls Unleashed, and this is the leave-in conditioner. This is the bottle, Curls Unleashed. Um, it's actually yeah. I don't know. I'm really not sure if they make a actual conditioner. I'm pretty sure they do when I went to Sally's. I guess they were out of conditioner, so I actually only bought the Curls Unleashed shampoo, and it's a sulfate free shampoo. Um, yeah, it's a sulfate free shampoo. So I mean that's a plus since sulfate is bad for your hair. And then it also on the bottle it says no stripping and moisturizing for natural hair. So I guess it's saying that it doesn't strip your hair of it doesn't strip your hair of the good like products that are on the strip of your hair. And I also bought the leave-in conditioner because I could not find. I take back. I actually thought this was the regular conditioner, but I misread it, and so I just use a shampoo, and I'm almost done with this. Like I only have about a half a bottle, and I still have the whole bottle of shampoo because I don't really use shampoo that much. And for my conditioner, I use um yes the cucumbers. I actually really like this. I had heard on a couple of people on YouTube saying they didn't really like it because they redid the the ingredients in here. I guess I still like it. It's cheap. I got it on clearance for 4.48 at my local Target. You can also get it from Ross, Marshalls, like any kind of stores like that. They always have like those extra odd things that they sell in the store, even though it's a clothing store, or you can get it at a department store, or then they'll have like a little basket platform at the end of all the clothes, and they'll have you start helping jump. This is what we in there. But I got this one from Target for 4.48. And I really love it. It smells so good. I'm a fan of the cucumbers. Like I like cucumber body spray on them, but yes, cucumber. So this is what I actually use on my hair. I condition this. I condition it with this first. Then I shampoo it. Then I shampoo it. Then I condition it again, and I put the leave-in conditioner in it. Okay, that's what I use on my hair. And for my moisturizing, I use this stuff. It's Elasta. I don't know if it's supposed to be a Q or O. I don't know, something. And then it's olive oil and mango butter moisturizer. And this is a 8.25 ounce, and I bought it for $6.99 from my local beauty supply. And it says bonus size, 80% free, something like that. But I mean, I don't have that much left in here, you see. I don't have that much left. I have very little. So after I had less than this, so last night what I did, I just put some of this leave-in conditioner in it, and I squirted a little bit of my cucumber. Yes, the cucumber is in it, and then I put like however much I put of the other products into here, I put the same amount of water in it or whatnot. If that makes any sense to you guys. So I added this and this to this, and I added water to, like, to make it stretch or whatnot. And my hair came out lovely. Like, I don't know if you see, I don't know, you can see it. You can see it. Let me close this up. Yeah. So, and I did clip my ends last night. But yeah, so I mean, I don't know. My hair is going pretty. So, yeah. So, yeah, that's all. Till next time, I'll come back with a video on my, putting my U-part back on. Bye.